Hi, I'm Veronica. Today I will be teaching you how to make a mug cake. A mug cake is pretty self-explanatory. It's a cake baked in a mug. Today we will be making chocolate, but there's a whole variety of flavors out there. Let's get started. For this mug cake, you will need a microwave-safe 12-ounce mug, a fork for mixing, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of chocolate chips, which is optional, a pinch of salt, which is also optional, then the wet ingredients, which is 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and an optional splash of vanilla extract. First, we're making the dry mix, so add 3 tablespoons of flour, then add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder and start mixing. The mixture should look something like this. Remember, you can also add your salt, but it is optional. Now that we're done with the dry mix, let's add our wet ingredients. Add 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and an optional splash of vanilla extract. After you've added the wet ingredients, you can start mixing. After the mixture looks something like this, you can add 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Make sure to stir in your chocolate chips. Now for the final step. Put your mug into your microwave and set it on high for 90 seconds. Your mug cake will become dry if you cook it for more than 90 seconds. After cooking it, you should let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes, but be very careful when taking out the mug because it will be hot. The final product should look like this. Now all that's left is for you to dig in your amazing creation and enjoy.